Hello guys, welcome to Technical Creator channel, and today we're gonna make some sci-fi sort of animation like this. You can look, this is very good. This is kind of excellent. Not that, but yeah, for beginners this is awesome. So let's head over to make it. We're gonna open Blender. It's a free and open source software which you can use for animation and VFX purpose. So we're gonna start with deleting this random stuff. Just double click A and X, and now we're gonna add a sphere. Shift A and icosphere, and we're gonna subdivide it to a really smooth. Yeah, yeah, that's kind of nice. And now we're gonna add some cube mesh. This can be opened by add menu, this or shift A, mesh and cube. We're gonna scale this down. Yes, and now out of frame for now. And we're gonna scale this down. Left click S and scale this down so we can't see. We are not able to see this. Yeah, that's kind of good. And now we're gonna head to particle section. Just drag this area, and here is our particle system. Click new, and you can watch the animation by playing it. There's some sort of pulling down, or that's not good. So we're gonna head over to field belt, gravity, and reduce it to all the way down. And now you can see they are just roaming around here and there, but this is kind of boring. So let's add a path with turbulence, shift A, force field, turbulence, and we're gonna line this up to our sphere. Yeah, yeah, and play. You can see they are just not doing so great. So we're gonna head over to settings of force field and increase the strength to 50. Yes, now you can see they are just doing this all crazy stuff. But this is also kind of boring. So we're gonna add flow to 8. This will just make them stay in a line, and here we go. You can see this is really better from previous. And now we're gonna add a shader. So head over to cyclist render and material sections, click new, emissions shader, and strength to 3.1 or something like that. And we're gonna put a nice light blue color to it, and My PC is kind of a slow, so we're gonna head to texture mode, and yeah, you can see this is pretty nice animation. So we're gonna just line up this again. This is not a necessary step, yeah, but you can do for getting a pretty nice geometry. That's kind of nice. And we're gonna scale this sphere more, scale this down, so we are not able to see it. Yeah. And yes, this is kind of great. So we are heading to add more particles. They are just 1000, so I'm gonna make them 5000. Yeah. And yes, this is pretty nice. And we're gonna add that cube as our particle. So go to object here and cube. You can see, but these are really big. So reduce the size to 0.05 or 0.09, which works best for you. For me, 0.05 is pretty nice. And bring random to all the way up. And now we play our animation. It looks sort of this thing. We are not able to spot, but yeah, this is really good. And we can head over to our world section and make it black. And now material. Yeah, they are looking really nice. So we're gonna go to solid again. If you are not able to see the particles, you can just head over to render section and increase the size a little bit, just to 0.10 or something like that. And yeah, this also looks pretty nice. So according to your PC, you can change the number of particles. I am gonna change it to just 15,000 particles. My PC is quite slow, so I am using 15,000 particles, and yeah, that looks nice. If your particles are dying immediately, you can increase the lifetime to 60 or 61. And we're gonna create this cube from frame. Yeah, that's nice. So we're gonna render it. Yeah, that's nice. And we're gonna render it. So head over to your local drive where you're gonna save it. In my case, it's render. Just article system and accept, and we're gonna just change some settings. You can use any of the format according to your preference, but I would prefer FMEG videos. And now we're gonna add a camera. So Shift A, camera, and move it back 0, and lock camera to view, and Shift F to use fly cam. And we're gonna just put it to frame. So Shift F again, Shift F, and zoom out. And yeah, it looks good. And just hit animation button. So head over and enjoy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Technical Creator. And we have to render it in MPG 4 format, and this one works pretty well. So enjoy, and we will meet when it is rendered. We are rendering in cycles render, so it will take a longer time, but the result is also pretty good. So just meet after it is rendered. It will be a 10-second videos. We are rendering at 24 frames per second, and the total frames are 240. So it will take 10 seconds of make 10 seconds of video. You can head over to my Instagram to see videos. It is jkoshiko9, and you can also see my videos on Skillshare and YouTube as technical creator. So guys, I messed it up. You have to select the cube and give the emission shader to cube, not the sphere. So guys, render is finished, and it took almost more than an hour to finish, and here is our animation.